Hi kids, today enjoy with toy and alphabet. Okay, are you ready? Play with me. First basket, car or aeroplane basket. Black car, wow. Oh, yellow car and purple car. Oh wow, brown truck. Yeah, so lovely. Green car, purple car. Oh, letter A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane. Yes, B. I collect B. Put here B. B for bear. Oh wow, next letter C. C. Put here C. C for car. C for car. Yellow car. Okay, fine. Next letter D. D. Put here D. D for dog. Okay, next basket, animals basket. Yes, so many animals in the basket. Wine. Wine. Oh, so cute baby. Wow, baby play with elephant. We find next letter. Letter E. Yes, put here E. E for elephant. We find next letter. Where is F? Oh yes, F is here. F. F for fish. F for fish. Wow, so cute toy for baby. We find next letter. Yes, G. G is here. G. G for giraffe. Giraffe. G for giraffe. Okay. Oh, hippopotamus. Bear. Lion, giraffe. Next letter H. Yes, H. Put here letter H. H for horse. Horse. Okay, play with next basket. Next basket is vegetable basket. Wow, corn. Corn. I cut the corn. We find next letter. Yes, I. I. I is here. Put here I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Capsicum. I cut the capsicum. Capsicum. We find next letter. J. Yes, J. Put here letter J. J for juice. Lemon. I cut the lemon. Lemon. Where is K? K. Yes, K is here. K. K for kite. K for kite. Cut the carrot. Carrot. Where is L? Yes, L is here. Put the L here. L for line. Line. Wow, collect the new basket. Ball basket. Green ball. Purple ball. Where is letter? Yes, letter M. M. I collect letter M. Put here M. M for monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. Wow. Wow, I really enjoy with this ball. I collect next letter N. Put here N. N for nose. Yellow ball. So cute. So cute, small ball. Green ball. Purple ball. We find next letter. Letter O. O. Put here O. O for orange. Orange. So cute ball. I love this ball. I find next letter. Where is P? Yes, P is here. P. P for pigeon. Pigeon. P for pigeon. Okay, done. Okay, kids. Now start our next step with tool basket. Wow, a lot of tools. Kids, you know this? Yeah, this is hammer. It's very common and useful tool and used in daily routine work. We find next letter. Letter Q. Letter Q. Q. Put here Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Next tool, plus. Plus. No, it's not for this use. Bold and nut. Where is nut? Oh, next letter, R. R. R for red. R for red. Okay, I find nut. Nut is here. Oh, it's not turning round with plus. Yes, next letter S. S. S for sun. S for sun. Oh, range. Not tight with range. Yes. Okay, next letter. Yes, T. T. Put here T. T for tiger. Screwdriver. Wire cutter. Okay, done. Oh, surprise egg. Oh, egg is empty. Next egg. Wow. Play-Doh. Next letter. U. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Play-Doh. I play with Play-Doh. Oh, wow. V is here. V. Put here V. V for van. V for van. Okay, open the next egg. Pink egg. Pink egg. Wow, W is here. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. Next letter X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Okay. Open the next egg. Yellow egg. Wow. Pink Play-Doh. I play with Play-Doh. Okay. Surprise egg finish. Next step. Wow, slime. I like play with slime. Yellow slime. I play with slime. Okay, done. Next slime. Orange. Orange slime. Orange slime is empty. Blue slime. Wow! Next letter is here. Y. Y. Y is here. Put here Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Okay, I find next letter. Purple slime is empty. Green slime. Wow, green slime. Next letter is here. Z. Z is here. Put here Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Wow, complete my alphabets. Hey, please like and subscribe my channel.